In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in DocuSign. We'll walk through where to find the controls that shape the entire signer experience for your account. And I'll point out what each area is meant to do so you can make confident choices. This is perfect if you want consistent, professional signing flows across all the envelopes your team sends. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Sign in with an account that has administrator permissions, since only admins can adjust these options. Once you're on the main DocuSign screen, you'll see the navigation bar at the top. From here, click Admin. If you manage more than one account or environment, confirm you're working in the correct account before continuing, because the changes you make will apply to envelopes sent from this account. On the admin dashboard, look for Signing Settings and click it. This page is the hub for the rules and preferences that define how recipients interact with your documents. Think of it as the master checklist for the signing experience. Start by reviewing the signer experience options. These typically include how signatures and initials are adopted. For example, you can allow recipients to draw, type, or adopt a pre-styled signature. If your goal is speed and simplicity, you might prefer automatic adoption styles that minimize clicks. If your goal is higher assurance, consider requiring more deliberate adoption. Next, look for navigation and guidance controls. Auto-navigation can step recipients through each required field in order, reducing missed fields and errors. If your audience often signs on phones or tablets, ensure mobile responsive signing is enabled so documents and fields reflow neatly on smaller screens. You'll also find settings that affect how documents are presented. These may include whether recipients can adjust certain items you've allowed, like limited field edits, as well as options that streamline or restrict actions during signing. Keep these tuned to balance flexibility with control, depending on the type of agreements you send. Finally, review security and compliance options. Here you can strengthen identity assurance and add protective elements such as watermarks. Choose the level that fits your risk profile and regulatory requirements without creating unnecessary friction for trusted recipients. As you make changes, read the brief descriptions beside each option and save before leaving the page. After updating, send a quick test envelope to yourself to confirm the experience feels right on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Go to DocuSign, open Admin, and use signing settings to tailor signature adoption, navigation, mobile responsiveness, recipient actions, and security. So every envelope reflects your standards from the first click to the final signature.